Hello everyone, how to towards back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to change your display name on Linky character AI application. So you can see this is the interface of Linky chat with character app. So what you need to do, you need to tap on the me button, like you need to tap on the me option right bottom corner on your screen, and then tap here the pencil icon, this one you can see. Simply tap on the pencil icon, and after that you can see name. Please enter your name. So if you didn't give your name here, then you have to give your name here, but if you want to change your name, then you can also change your name. So I'm just going to tap my name, like maybe Ragiv, and after that need to tap save. So you can tap on the save, and that's it. So okay friend, today's normal, and see you in the next video.